Would FDA accept my data from international clinical trials? Is one of the most common questions that pharma companies ask when planning their marketing authorization in the USA. Let's explore what is required for a clinical trial data to be accepted by the US FDA. The first important requirement is that the clinical trial is conducted according to the Principles of Good Clinical Practice, GCP. If the clinical trial is not conducted according to GCP, the FDA will examine the data but will not accept it to support marketing authorization application. The pharma company has to prepare the following information: the responsibilities of the investigator, and description of the research facility. In addition, there should be detailed summary of the protocol and the results of the study, together with description of the drug management and administration. If the study is assessing the effectiveness of the drug, there should be evidence that the study is adequate and well controlled. There should be information about the ethics committee, the names and qualifications of its members. In addition, there should be an approval from the ethics committee. The summary should contain information about how informed consent was obtained from the patients and what initiatives were there to encourage patients to participate. This could be reimbursement for travel expenses, gift vouchers, and others. Another important information is how the study was monitored by the sponsor to make sure the hospitals followed the protocol. There should be information on how the investigators were trained to comply with GCP and to comply with the protocol. In case the pharma company needs a waiver for some of the requirements, they need to provide justification for requesting such a waiver. FDA may grant a waiver if they think it is in public health interest. If the study data is submitted to support marketing authorization application, then the record should be stored for 2 years after the FDA decision on the application. If the study data is not submitted for marketing authorization application, then the record should be stored for 2 years after investigator new drug, IND, submission. FDA may request to inspect foreign hospitals that participated in the clinical trial. Thank you for watching. For more information, feel free to contact us.